everyone do my makeup with me. Okay, so I'm in a bit of a rush, so right now we're gonna take some foundation and just gently tap it around the face. So this is not really my shade, so I'm just like, I'm not gonna put it all around my face. I'm just going to like put it around the edges so it can like add a little bit more of definition. Next, I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer. And then I'm gonna pat it down. You always want to make sure that you're not dragging the makeup, you're patting it like this. Okay. After I add the foundation and the concealer, I'm gonna add a little bit of blush. Just a teeny tiny bit. I'm also gonna pat that down like that. And just pull it upwards a little bit. And I'm gonna do the same with the other side. Okay, so like the second to last step is putting on eyeshadow, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I have pink here. So while I was putting that on, this broke. Not sure if you can see it, but it broke. Now I have to find a new applicator. Last but not least, some lipstick or blush. And here's the final look. What do you guys think? Comment down below and follow me for more tips. Bye!